Hello. So today we love information gathering with Dmitry tool. Dmitry is versatile. Tool used for gathering information about target IP address or organization. Here we'll see some of command and their functions. So save output to file. Dmitry or target IP for performing WHOIS lookup and IP address. Dmitry I target IP address. To perform the WHOIS lookup on domain name, Dmitry W target IP, and to retrieve Netcraft information related to domain name, Dmitry N target IP. And for search domains, Dmitry S strict. So let's see in practical. In practical, we see one arrow to S. Open terminal and in terminal, just type Dmitry. So it will show the menu Dmitry tool. And Dmitry is magic information getting to there some deep magical going on. Here is the use of Dmitry. So we can use it for different purposes. So let's see one example. I'm gonna search for Dmitry the for email addresses and I'll type AP3 at gmail dot and it will start. So T G at ABC remember you will search for all the combinations, all possible email addresses. So it has done all everything. Level to look at IP address ABC. There is no ABC gmail.com. Continue with limited model first. Name gathering info email information for abcgmail.com searching for google.com abcg.com searching alstabstar.com and all scan complete one found email host abc.com zero page zero containing result there is no thing containing name abc at the gmail.com so I'll try again another so I just try who is lookup on IP address Dmitry I and 1 2 7 0 for my own local IP address. It has scanned my own IP address. So see everything I have. All the information it had given to me about my system, my IP address. So thanks for watching.